I'm always getting aware with these kit videos that they're going to be boring, because I don't even know if I'd watch a kit video. I don't think I would, but some of you seem to like them, so you know, if you like them, I'll keep doing them. Right, we've got another one there, 473 again. I've got to think of a way where I can test this as well. I've got a logic analyzer. I did have an oscilloscope, but I've recently got rid of it because, like I said, I've been having a clear out. What's next? We've got 103, which is this one. We're almost done. We're almost done. 103. There it is. 103. Need to clip all these away. Now, what are we left with? The 100k, which will start, well, it should start with brown, black, black, and then, yeah, brown, black, black, and then 3, which is orange. So brown, black, black, orange. Do we have one like that? Brown, yeah. Brown, what? Brown, black, black. Is that orange? Yeah, it is. Okay, so that's the 100k. In there. And the other one. And spread and then solder. Okay. Yeah, I've got to think of how I can test this. How am I going to do it? And has that got it? Yeah, that's got it. It's terrible soldering now. But I suppose that's what I get for not going to find my snips. And what's next? Now we're looking for a 15k, a 1 mega ohm. Right, well the 1 mega ohm again should be brown, black, black, and then a colour that I'm not familiar with. So what starts with brown, black, black here? Brown, oh brown, brown, black. Brown, oh, don't know what they are. Right, let's have a think about this. Oh, that 100k one needs to go down as well. See if I can do it without burning myself. There we go. Oh, that was quite easy really. Okay. Maybe I should do it with that one as well then. Okay, right. Enough of messing about. So what I'm going to do here, so when I identify these, well hang on a minute, I've got brown, black, black, so that's 100, and then to the power of yellow, so 100, wonder if that's 3 more zeros. Well, it's 100 something, so it's got to be the 1 mega ohm, so I'll put that in place. Yep, that has to be the 1 mega ohm. Let's put that in. This is getting ridiculous now. I think I'm going to have to go and find my snips. Okay, next one. So the 4.7k, which I should know really, I've been doing it long enough, and 15k, so what have I got to choose from? I don't know. I think that's the 4.7, yellow, purple, black, brown, I think that's 4.7, and I think this one, brown, red, black, green, I think that's the other, the 15K, but I'm just going to check on the computer, hang on. I'm on this website here, all about circuits, and I can see that there's an explanation as to what these things could be. So, the first one I've got, the colour code is yellow, purple, black, brown. So, yellow, 4, violet, so 4, 7, black, which is 0, 4, 7, 0, and then brown, which is the amount of ones. 4, 7, 0, 0. 4, 7, 0, 0. So that's that one. 4.7K, and the other one is brown, red, black. 1, 2, 0. 1, 2, 0, and green. What? 1, 2, 0, and then 5. That can't be right. I must be reading it backwards. Hang on. Brown, green, black, red. 1, 5, 0. 1, 5, 0, and then 0, 0. Yeah, 15K. So we're done there. So back over here, here's the 15K. 15K, put that in there. Wow, look at this mess now. Just because I'm too lazy to go and find my snips. I'll do it in a minute. Okay, that one's in. Oh, that one's not quite in. And 4.7K. I'll have to remember these bands. 4.7K, where does that go? There. 4.7K. And let's go for that. $4.7K. Done. Wow, that was awesome as well. Okay, so now I've got to snip this off because it's just ridiculous. Snip all that off, and then I'll do these ones here. So I'll just go and find my snips. Here they are. Right, so take these off here. Work my way into the centre, I suppose. Oops, I think I've just broken that. Yeah, I'll need to reheat that and hope that it joins back to the track. Which one was it now? This one. Nope, the track is ruined, so I'm going to have to repair that. Alright, so these two that are broken are actually right next to each other, so I don't know if... I'm not exactly sure why that happened, but they're both next to each other. I don't know if the camera can see them. Yeah, there you go. And I can repair that fairly easily. So let's put this in here, zoom into it, and I'll try and show you. So which are the two again? Can't see them now. Those two. Right, so what I'm going to do is get a knife. Yeah, that one. Just scratch off this mask here. That's it, that's scratched off nicely. and scratch off. Same here. There we go. That will just clean the copper a little bit. The other one's got a bit of a brush on it, it's a bit better. There we go. Make sure that's clean. And now I'm going to put a small glob of solder on, which will hopefully repair it. So let's give it a go. There we go. Nice, that's done. And now this one. Perfect. That's it, that's repaired. Now it's time to put the little jumper things on, so let me zoom back out again. Yeah, so now it's time for these things. These come in twos. Do it this way. 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Now this is what I could really do with the blue tack, but if it's not there, it's not there, and that's it, I suppose. Oh, they've done it quite tight. That's good. So if I just push this in, yeah, that's good. They've done it tight. So first ones. Zoom in again. First two. There and there. Okay, it's the first two, which I think was for power. Now the next two, so these are for the shape of the wave. Presumably you presumably you put a jumper across the sine waveform that you want. So I've got two in. They're very tight, but that's a a very tight fit, but that's actually a good thing, because you don't want these falling out. It's a pain when they fall out. So there's two in. Now then the last two. So that's all four of them done now, and the space here for grounding out. So now I've just got to figure out a way of testing this, and I suppose I'll have to do that tomorrow, as this video is already quite long. And finally there's the jumper header thing, whatever you call it, for that. Oh, that's not pushed down properly. So there's the next kit anyway. So yeah, hopefully I can test this out tomorrow and show you what it does. Well, in fact I know what it does. It's a waveform generator. Hopefully I can show you it in action. Okay, thanks for watching. So far so good.